Hi friends, I am going to teach about hand embroidery stitches. Now I am going to show stitch number 5, long and short stitch. Let's see. Step 1. Come up first line. Step 2. Go down third line. Step 3. Come up first line. Step 4. Go down second line. Step 5. Come up fourth line. Step 6. Go down third line. Step 7. Come up fourth line. Step 8. Go down second line. Do it same like that repeatedly. I think it looks like very beautiful. Try it. To know about my previous stitches, I mentioned the link in description. Check it. Thank you so much.